Hey, welcome back to my channel. Expat Rebel Chris here, and we just was showing you us filling the pool. And so it's been filling overnight completely, all by itself, off of city water here, which isn't the greatest water pressure in the world. We do have a cistern because of that, and we have a water softener and all that. But this is bypassing all that system and going right into the pool, right over here actually. And so it's maybe halfway full in the deep end here, just overnight, just from the tap water, basically. So we're gonna actually hire a water truck to come and fill it. And I'm actually not gonna do that. It'll probably take the rest of today, and then so hopefully tomorrow will be swimmable. Our pool, actually electrician plumber guy who stuck all the equipment here in this pool house, needs to come over and turn it on basically and do a shock and some other things. And he's not going to be showing up for 4 days though. So we're going to have this just be all natural. It looks like a cenote. That's the look we're going for. This little nice cenote hole feeling to the pool. So let me back up, show you guys an overview. But this is the shallow end. So it'll go up to the tile there. And this is where you put it, like a sun lounger. It's room for a couple here to just chill out in. And of course the deep end for the swimming and the pool exercises, and a couple bar stools with an actual bar area, a little bit bigger, so that we can sit and enjoy the view of the ocean, which is right over here. It's close. We're only probably a day away from being able to get in it and start enjoying the pool. It was fun. Yesterday was the last day for construction people. They cleaned and took away all their equipment and did everything and left. We don't expect them to come back unless we want something new, which is going to be a little while before we want to go through that. A couple projects we're thinking about, but not till like next year. And so we're going to be able to enjoy our little ocean paradise here. This is our beach. We do have plans to fix this fence. This is a protected area for sea turtles. Well, actually, we have access to the beach, and that's about it. And we have our palapa, of course, with our fun chairs here to enjoy. We like being on the beach, but sometimes it's too rough, it's too windy, it's too rainy, it's too stormy, it's just too much. So having your house, there's the house back there, back a ways is actually a great idea. But a lot of houses that are right on the beach, the living room would be right here. This would be the pool, maybe even. And there's the ocean. It looks great on a website to like rent, like for vacation. And it's true. For vacation, for a couple of weeks, it's great. But when you live here, and we've done this because we were at a lot of almost 30 places in Mexico before we finally even bought something, we've learned that no, long term, it's not that fun. We've had, storms where it was just horrible to be in because you couldn't get far enough away from the beach. The house was too close. And this is a nice setup. So if you want it, which I do, I typically have my drinks and breakfast right here in the palapa, and I can enjoy it and do all that. And then when I want to watch Netflix or something, I go to my house and go to the living room. And I can have it, the doors open, the windows open, and it'd be really nice. But if it's stormy or really windy, I can close it and actually hear the TV. So we're real excited that this is we're literally almost done. And it's been a while, and we're over 4 months of construction. And so it's nice to be where construction people left. And so the pool is almost full by tomorrow, and we'll be able to move on and really just enjoy the place. But that's it from here in Yucatan, Mexico, on the beach. If you're interested in more of this, please subscribe to the channel. Click that bell notification, you'll get notified. And if you're interested in a weekly newsletter on expat stuff, whether you are an expat or you want to be an expat, go to expatrebel.com/newsletter. See you guys next time. Bye.